just saying take pleasure in those who take pleasure in him. You know, see it? So I and I have to do the thing which is good, which is right, and which is perfect in the sight of the Most High, Jah Rastafari, because perfection is the key to life. So we don't make no mistake. We don't say we can't make no mistake in a but I and I have to track the right road. That's when I make none. You know, see it?
So what you just said to most young youths now where aside to Rastafari and want to take on Rastafari journey?
Yeah man, you know what I said to the youth them who don't really sight the fullness yet. If you remember, say, a slavery carry I and I people come down here in a captivity. And the reason for the Rastafari family to rise this way in this time is because we have to remind the people where we're coming from, where we reach now, and where we're going. And the only place we are going is Holy Mount Zion. And if you go to Zion, just like how the Christian that say, I'm going to heaven, I see him thing. So if you go to Zion, you have to clean. So if your hand not clean, your heart can't pure. So you have to have a clean hands that you can have a pure heart. And when you have a clean hands and a pure heart, then you shall see the face of Jah Rastafari in Holy Mount Zion. So that is the mission of Rastafari, is to unite the people and tell them of Haile Selassie I and Zion, and tell them how they can reach Zion. So if you are youth want to really sight Rastafari, you can just go and listen up, hear what go on, free up your meditation, and know so the slave master would have not freed the eye. The slave master fool the people for rule the people. So everything turned upside down. But I and I as Rasta is here in this time to tell the people of Rastafari to know say Haile Selassie is a true and living ancient king of Iration. So if God swear, say I'm gonna come as King of Kings, Haile Selassie come as King of Kings. So him crowned in Ethiopia 1930 November 2nd. So Christ swear that him gonna come sit up back on David's throne and crown King of Kings. So if Haile Selassie come as that King of Kings, he must be Christ. You know, see it?
What do you think about Babylon of the youth, them use them brain instead of them heart?
Babylon of the youth, them use them brain and
instead of their heart. Because
okay,
everything lies within the heart, you know.
True. Yeah man, but I say what now no? A heart, mind and soul travel together, you know? 3 in 1, you know. Heart, mind and soul. So you what now? You can use your head and you know restore power from the heart or to the heart. A heart, mind and soul, the 3 of them travel together in one. So you have to know say Babylon use them brain. You know, see it? Release the chain and I use them brain. So that's why everything turned upside down in the system we call left right, left right. So it's a left right system Babylon have everyone under in this time, because what? The people of the world drink the old wine and now have no space to the new. So Babylon fool them, just to rule them. So I and I know in this time they have to liberate the captivated minds. So the only way we can liberate the captivated mind is to tell the one them the truth. Because the truth will go bust out like a river, and the truth shall reveal to the baby and suckling. So for those who don't know, I and I as Rasta there have to tell us, yeah man, just free up the eye self, look into the eye self, be something you never be before, greater in your spirit and larger in your outlook. So all you have to do if you know all of them something there is to just have a clean